Hello friends, welcome to WBUTTEPA, and today I will show you a model of a circle and the different parts of it. This model you can make simply with a cardboard and some screws. Okay, this is the center of the circle and this is the circumference. So see, this is the radius, right? And if I extend it to another point on the circumference through the center, this will show you the diameter. Okay, now I will show you any chord of a circle. You know that what is the chord? Any 2 points of the circumference are joined by a line segment, then it is called a chord. So this is a chord, this is also a chord, this is also a chord. Okay, and this is the largest chord that can be drawn to the center, that is, it is called the diameter. And the model is a very useful. It not only shows the so many parts of a circle, but also by this model I can show you different shapes, different 2D figures like triangles, quadrilaterals, and so many shapes. So let's make a triangle. One, two, and number 3. This is a triangle right now, and this is very simple, right? And you can also measure the angles of the triangles, that is, the angle sum property shows that the sum of the 3 angles of a circle is 180 degree. You can easily measure it by a protractor. You can also make quadrilateral. By the way, the quadrilateral I can make in this model, this always a cyclic quadrilateral. And you also know that the cyclic quadrilateral follows the different properties, that is, the opposite angles are supplementary, right? That is, sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these angles is equal to 180, sum of these angles is equal to 180. The model is very useful, right? And you can make also a pentagon with this model, and you can also check the properties of a pentagon with this model also. The sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 540 degree. You know that, and you can also check this by protractor. And you can also make a hexagon with this. This is nothing but a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a hexagon. And you know that all the angles of a hexagon is equal to 720 degree, and you can easily check it by a protractor. If you really learned something from this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.